Hi everyone, it's Kendall from Temple Candles here. Hope you're well. So today I thought I'd share with you some tips about how to make your candles last the longest. I'm getting a lot of messages from people saying we're really loving our candles in our homes at the moment and we're creating really soothing and calming environments, which is beautiful to hear. So I thought a great video to make would be to let you in on the tips that will show you how to make your candles last the longest time, how to burn the safest, and also how to make your candles look beautiful from the moment you light them until the moment they finish. So the first tip I can let you know about is the big importance of trimming your wick. So our candles are designed to burn for 3 to 4 hours, and then after that time the wick's going to get really quite a little bit elongated. So you can see from this candle here, this one's been burning for about 4 hours, and the flame is actually getting really quite big. So it's bobbing around a little bit on the wax. There's a few little wisps of smoke here and there. And we know that a flame that is big like that is really going to churn through your wax a lot faster. So what we need to do with this candle, so remember 3 to 4 hours roughly, we need to blow that out and then we need to trim our wicks down. And that means cutting them with either, you can use wick trimmers, we have these little tools here, or if you don't have wick trimmers, you can just use scissors or nail clippers, anything to just trim them down to about 3 to 5 millimeters. And I know that sounds really tiny, it is really tiny, but we trim them down, and then after we relight, and I'll show you this in a second as well, you just get a nice small controlled flame, and that means it's burning a lot less wax as well. So that's what's going to make your candle last a lot longer. So we'll keep that one burning there so I can show you the difference between a flame that's quite large and it's going to really burn through your candle quite quickly, and the difference between a flame that's the right size to start off with. So this is a candle we've burned previously, and the wick's really quite large, so it's a big one. So we need to, after we've blown it out, you get this nice melt across the top here. So we need to let that solidify. So this has gone back to solid wax, it's not melted anymore. And you just get your wick trimmers, or again, your scissors, whatever you want to use, and then you place them carefully just on the base at a little angle, and you just snip. And 2. And it might take a couple of goes to get it, try and make them as even as possible. And then because I'm a little bit fussy as well with my candles, I just like to clean up the inside just with a paper towel. Give it a little wipe around the inside like that, just to get any residue off. Shine it up on the outside like this. So that's all nice and clean. The wick's really small. And then we just relight it. Let's see that the flame size is really quite different to the one that's been burning for 4 hours, and you'll get the picture about why this one's going to use a lot more wax than this one here, which is just your smaller size flame. So that's the flame that we want to start out with every time. So please do this every time before you relight. And that's how you're going to get the most burn time out of your candle. And it just makes such a huge difference. It's such a little simple thing to remember to do. And it's also all about candle safety as well. We do have to remember that this is fire in a glass, basically. There are burning hazards that come with these things, burning them in your home, so we need to remember to look after them. Keep your eye on it every 3 to 4 hours, blow it out, cut it down, and this is what we want to start out with every time. Thanks for listening, guys. I hope it helps, and I hope you get the most out of your candles, and just remember trimming it down to 3 to 5 millimeters every 3 to 4 hours. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. Bye.